If you ever wanted to start your own clothing brand, but you didn't want to buy hundreds of hoodies up front, didn't want inventory sitting in your garage, and you didn't want to deal with shipping, this might be the smartest way to do it in 2026. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can launch a premium clothing brand. A premium clothing brand without inventory using the platform called TapStitch. And I'll show you exactly how it works. Quick disclaimer, this video is sponsored by TapStitch, but I only promote products that I would actually use. So let's get right into it. Let's be honest, starting a clothing brand the traditional way is expensive. You need bulk inventory, minimum order quantities, storage, upfront capital, and if your designs don't sell, you're stuck with all that inventory. And I went through that same exact experience when I started my first ever business before I discovered dropshipping, and that was selling phone cases. I only sold a couple and I had all this inventory and I still have it to this day sitting in my garage. And honestly, that's the main reason why most people don't start. And if they do start, they use cheap print-on-demand platforms. And the quality is just not premium enough to actually build a brand around it. And that's exactly where TapStitch comes in. TapStitch is a premium clothing print-on-demand and dropshipping service. You're not just slapping design on blanks and that's it. You can do much more, like customize premium garments, launch without limited amount of quantities. You can literally just have one order and you can still launch your brand. You can connect it directly to your Shopify store. You can ship worldwide and you can test out different collections before you even start scaling. This is built for creators, entrepreneurs, influencers, and anybody who just wants to build a real brand. Let me show you exactly how it works so you can get started as soon as possible because it's an opportunity you do not want to miss out on. So let's get right onto my computer. I'm going to show you exactly TapStitch and just how to get started with it and get your first product out. Here we are on TapStitch. So it says create and sell premium custom clothes easily. And let's click get started. So as you can see, we're in the section of all products. You can see there's all these different variations of clothing, and a lot of these are actually pretty trendy. Like you can see, this is something I would wear definitely. This sweater right here, this one as well. It's pretty nice actually. And even maybe you just want to buy a blank, just go on here and grab a blank because they're so cheap. As you can see, even they got soccer jerseys. As you can see, that's definitely a trend a lot of people are doing, is like selling soccer jerseys with, you know, whatever logo or branding they want. That's really good right now. Oh, these mesh shorts. Okay, those are really, really nice. So let's say we go with these mesh shorts. For $10, that's a great deal. We'll click design now. Let me just make my icon here a little bit smaller. Okay, meet your new design tool. Okay, so let's click next, go through this. So you can actually just upload whatever branding you want on it, whatever text, whatever. Click next. Okay, we can remove the background, we can crop whatever we want, duplicate. Okay, cool. Image review. Okay, awesome. Next, okay, so you can actually do the front and back. That's an awesome variation. What I like about this, it makes it super easy to do. So you can see here, we want to make a logo. So I'll just go to Canva and simply go create a logo for these pants. So let's just get onto Canva quickly, build out a little logo quickly, and then add it onto here. Okay, so as you can see here, I just designed my entire logo here, just a quick little thing, Ecom Patrick. We can literally copy and paste it in here. So as you can see, it is dark, so I made it black. Maybe let's change the pants to another color. So let's go to product here, change the pants to white. Okay, perfect. So let's just focus on white. So you can see here, I just put my logo. So let's say, for example, you have a community or something like that. For example, mine would be Ecom Patrick, my brand, you know, DBO dropshipping, whatever. I can put my logo on there, maybe another logo here. So something cool like that. You can also do the back, whatever logos you want here. Okay, so we can just save this design. Check background and design colors. Avoid using background or design colors that match the garment. Okay, so I did that. Okay, so all we do is save the design and then add to store, add to cart, whatever you want. So number one, we have the dashboard right here. We have orders. So this is your order sections, all the orders you get. Design, this is where you design everything. Branding, so the actual branding of your brand. Stores, so you can actually have multiple stores connected to here. So you can have all those stores right there. Wallet, just to add money onto your wallet so you can pay for the fulfillment. And then some more account backend settings. So as you can see here, number one, connect the store. So you want to connect the store, integrate with Shopify. So all you're going to do right here, click connect, and you can pick whichever one you want. Shopify, Etsy, Wix, right? All of these options. So we'll do Shopify. We'll simply just click connect, and then install, and then we'll add the app to our Shopify store, and then it's connected immediately. Now, the next thing is design your first product. So I already went ahead and designed the first product. Now, the next thing is add products to your store. So you can actually add the product to your store so you have that product page there. So we'll click try it now, and you can see these are the pants that I made, this Ecom Patrick drawstring shorts. So you just simply add to store, and then it will be added to your Shopify store. If you want to maybe just buy the product so you can get the product in hand, you can actually order the product so you have the product for yourself, maybe to advertise with. All you'll do is click add to cart, and then you can see you can actually purchase the product, send it to yourself, so then you have the product. So let's go extra large here. I can click checkout and then send it out to myself and purchase it. Okay, so that's an awesome thing. And you can see we get a little discount. So $11.50 just for those shorts. It's super, super cheap. So let's go back here, and you can see step 4, place a test order. So obviously you want to test out and make sure everything's all good. Also, they have this recommended blanks. So, if you want to sell any other products, you can see these are the most popular ones: size t-shirt, the hoodies, and then crew necks, and then the zipper. So all of these are super trendy right now when it comes to like kind of streetwear vibe. From the dashboard, we go to orders. So whatever orders you get, whenever someone purchases one of your product, this will come up here. It's going to show the product, order ID, the date, and the customer who purchased, status, cost of product, action. And then you can actually see they have like draft, unpaid, in review, in production, shipped, delivered, just to make sure that your understanding of what's going on with your product and how it's being fulfilled, the time process, and everything around the product. I really like that because that definitely helps when it comes to growing an actual brand. Then you can see designs. So you can see we have one design here. You can make as many designs as you want. So that's the best part about it. Then branding. So if you actually want to make custom clothing labels, like for your tags or the bottom of your t-shirt, you can actually make unique custom branding on your clothing, which is super unique. I've never seen any print-on-demand platform do this, so that's definitely a great addition. Then you can see stores. So all the stores you have connected will be here. Wallet. So you have your wallet that you had added here. So whenever you have to pay for fulfillment, you simply just add your card, add money into your account, and then pay for the fulfillment. Then we'll go to account settings. So it's just your information, whatever, right? So just the backend information. So yeah, that's about it for TapStitch. If you want to make more designs, like all you'll do is simply go to add new design. Then let's say I want to do like this one, this t-shirt. We'll pick a design now. Okay. Just to do another quick run here, just to show you. So we'll go with white colors. So let's click plus, and we'll do, let's do something like ash gray. Let's try another one. So you can actually do multiple colors, which is awesome. So do like light gray, add the logo, and you can see you can play around with it, make it smaller, whatever you want, right? And you can even add to the back here, left sleeve, right sleeve. Wow, this is awesome. Super simple and easy, right? I should definitely start making merch and literally sell this because this is awesome. Save design, gives you a little warning. Let's ignore that. And then you can either add it to your store, add to cart to purchase it for yourself, create another design, or explore more items. So there you have it. That's literally TapStitch for you. The best part about this all is you never touch inventory. No warehouse, no bulk purchase, no risk of overstock. And that's honestly my favorite part about it all. Because when I first started, like I said, those were major issues that I was going through. And right now, if you want to get to the next level with dropshipping, this is a perfect opportunity because you can do what's different from what everybody else is doing. You can actually build your own brand, a reputable brand, and put your creativity to the test. So if you're somebody who wants to test out multiple designs, maybe you're building a brand in a niche, or you just want premium quality without the upfront cost. In 2026, brands win, not random product. That's why I really focus on the DBO method of dropshipping. It's where you actually build a real brand, selling untapped products that nobody else is selling. And that doesn't necessarily mean you have to find a completely new product. This can still be something like changing your offer, having a different marketing strategy, or actually building a real brand around a certain product, just like we're doing here with the print on demand. Find a niche that is reputable, performs good, and you know you're gonna make money within that niche, and then sell a product to the niche. Right now, merch is exploding. Personal brands are monetizing, and people buy from creators who they trust. So instead of just chasing winning products day after day, and you're not going anywhere, maybe give this a try. You can build a gym brand, faith brand, a streetwear brand, and a niche community brand. Literally whatever you want. You can test everything without the financial barrier that you're going through right now. Let me tell you, that's powerful. I wish this opportunity was here when I first started selling products online. So if you're thinking to yourself, is this for me? Is it not for me? Well, let me tell you who this is exactly for and who it's not for. This is for beginners who don't want to risk inventory. Maybe you're a creator that you're just trying to build merch. You're an aspiring entrepreneur who's just testing out different clothing ideas, or somebody that's already doing good and just wants automation. But let me tell you exactly who this is not for. People who are looking for overnight ideas, people who don't want to advertise, and somebody who doesn't want to build an actual brand. Still need branding, you still need marketing, but TapStitch handles the entire fulfillment for you. So if you're ready and you want to finally launch that clothing brand or whatever type of brand you've always wanted to launch, this is the opportunity right now for you. You can launch that clothing brand without holding any inventory. Don't take the upfront risk. So check out TapStitch in the link in the description. Click the link and then sign up today. If you're really serious about building something long-term, then I would definitely say this is one of the easiest ways to get started. So go ahead, get started with TapStitch. I left the link in the description. Get started and let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.